Hey guys, welcome back to my another video, and today as you can see we're on the top of the house at my base, and this is my bunker. And as you can see, the pig is still there. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna kill that pig. Oh, come on. Okay guys, our topic today is mining. And as you can see, my previous video, episode 1, I promise we will mine in episode 2. But I do not do that. So I lie into you guys. So today we're gonna mining. Okay. Where's that cave I saw before? Is it here? Whoa! Oh my god. Okay. Oh, is this a perfect laser spot? Let's mine in there, guys. Oh, iron. Yeah. Okay, mine. Mine this one. 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 Mine this. Okay. I don't wanna fall in hard. Okay, mine this iron. Okay, there we go. Let's dig up down. Wait, no. Oh, I will use dirt. Oh, I didn't do that. One, two. Oh, sorry about that, guys. That's my friends. FCP group. Okay, mind this. Okay. Oh God, almost in the ground. You need to be careful. Watch out for the zombas. I don't like zombas. Oh. Okay, there we go. Oh, come on. Oh my god. Come on, guys. Whoa. My god, guys. We need a torch. But the only problem is I have only one. Oh my. Oh. I said no jambas. Jombas. I thought you were yogas. Okay. Mine this coal. So we can have a coal. Make it a torch so we can find diamonds. Okay, mine this. This one. This one. Oh. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. This one. These two. These three. This 4. This 5. This 1 million. Okay. We have a 1 million coal. Yeah. Just kidding. Okay. Wait. Whoa. Oh my god, this is my lucky day. So many iron. Mine this iron. I don't want to get knife. Okay. Oh my god, can you stop? Mine this. Okay, there we go. Why are grass on the caves? What the hell? I do not get that. Okay. Oops, sorry. Let's mine this. Okay. Okay, let's mine this. Okay, is that it? Nope, is that it? Nope, it doesn't. There we go. Yeah. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Another perfect day. I will have my wish. I will kill a pig using a bow. Ayo, I'm a PvP master. Oh, I get 2. One more spider, so I can kill that pig on the roof. And I will be able to kill the witch. Oh, first of all, I wish there were iron golem in this village, but no. I searched everywhere, but no one sign of iron golem. So all this iron I have, I will make an iron golem. I don't know if that's a good idea. So you should comment down below. What should I do? Make some armor and make some house, or make an iron golem? I don't know. What is the better? Okay, I cannot reach the iron. Oh my god. Oh my god. And this disgusting black again. Okay, mine this. There is one top. Okay, there we go. Oh, I don't mind. I don't like that disgusting black. This, oh, fudge. Oh god, I thought it was hung. Oh, I don't want jump scares. Oh, tell me it's the end. Oh, it is the end. I didn't find the hole. I don't want to mine the hole. Oh, guys. Oh my god. I believe it's getting dark, so I need to go back. I don't want to spider come in my bed. Actually, I don't have a bed. How do I sleep? There's the torch over there. Okay. Oh god, I don't remember this. Mine up. Where's the... Okay, there we go. Next time, I will not use dirt, because dirt is for only noobs. Okay, there we go. Oh my god. No. Ah. There we go. Up in the hill. Up at the up. Oh my god. Up the up. Okay, there we go. Oh. Still one. Oh, this is my friend Villager. Hello, Mr. Villager. How? Wait, guys. Is he sad? He is sad. Oh, he's not. Oh, he is just stuck. Oh my god. Back into our headquarters. Our headquarters. Okay. Let's put the... Oh, let's still upward. Are you really kidding me? 44 iron. Oh my god. How is that even possible? Oh well, let's just put this. Okay, there we go. Let's wait for iron. Oh, it's getting dark now. It's getting dark. Whoa, guys, it's a beautiful sunset. Oh, look at that. Oh. Wait, let's see the sunset. I'm not afraid of the zombies. Such a man. Wow. It is just Lego. I still see that witch. Beautiful sunset. Oh my god. Beautiful sunset. Oh. Beautiful moon. Why moon have pimples? If moon had a pimples, I don't think it's a moon. Okay. No, Mr. Villager, why you die? Why you die, Mr. Villager? You are my only hope. No. Screw myself. Okay. Okay. Oh, it's 9 ingots. Okay, we should make a chest, because my inventory is kind of a little bit full. Okay, there we go. Oh my god, such a disgusting inventory. I don't want this. It's disgusting black. There we go. I don't like melons. There we go. Bowl. I don't want a bowl. I wish there were toilet on Minecraft. But you need an add-on. Oh yes! Oh, careful. He. Oh my. Sorry about that. He don't have a. He don't have a string. Maybe this one. Oh my god. It has no string. Next. I always wanted a string. By the way, is that pig fall? Wait, I need to check it out. Check it out. The up. Okay, are you pig? Are you pig? Okay, I need to make this parkour. Oh, the parkour master never defeat. Yeah, I'm the parkour master of Pocket Edition. But the real parkour master is Preston Place. How do I get up there? Oh, never mind. Lonely village. No villagers. My god. I almost feel sorry in the villagers. Because of the zombie! Oh my god! Oh my god! Destroy the beautiful plants. Oh my. This is plant. Yeah, it's plant. Okay. Oh, there's a wheat. Okay. Find this wheat. Wheat. Okay. Oh, it is. Oh, thank God I did not destroy that. Oh. Okay. I have 15 wheat. Okay, 6 seeds. Still have 2 iron. Two string. Sorry guys, sorry. Two string. How did the moon get up there? I don't know. By the way guys, the next gameplay is a little much of cooler because my cousin is gonna join. Peterman. You see Peterman? If you watch the previous video of episode 1 survival gameplay, you will see Peterman. I don't understand these words. He said penge. I don't understand. Oh yes. For Sparta! Hiya! Yeah. No. Oh, yes! Oh, Almighty God, Bo. Yeah. You are the master. Oh, Is that half moon? That is not a half moon. I think it's a bowl. Guys, did you see that? The moon has face. Look at that. Guys, the moon have a face. Oh my god. This is a history. Oh my god, this moon is wanted. Oh, look at that. It is just a mask. Maybe the sun is in there. Just masking. Look at that, the eye. The mouth, the nose. Oh my god, that is the history. Oh, we need to tell the admin in that. That's so. Oh god. Yes. We need to tell the admin, but I don't know how to call an admin. Okay, let's see if that pig is still in there.